Welcome to lecture 37 of IE and I. This is about biometrics or access control system. Biometric sensor is a device or a transducer that converts the biometric traits of an individual into electrical signal. Biometric sensors are normally semiconductor devices. There are two types of biometric operations that can be performed using image captured by the biometric sensor. They are identification and verification. In identification mode, a biometric sensor identifies a person from pool of enrolled personnel by searching the database and based on the match for biometric. This mode is called identification mode. In verification mode, the biometric system verifies the person's identity based on previously enrolled biometrics. In this mode, am I whom I claim to be? Question about an individual is answered. Now, irrespective of the mode of the operation of a typical biometric system can be divided into three components. They are enrollment, matching, decision making. Now we can see that in enrollment, the present biometric is captured and processed, which is stored in the database. In the verification, the present biometric is captured and processed and compared with the data of the database. If it matches, then it gives a match. If it is not matching, it gives no match. Now, type of biometrics. This can be two types of biometric system. First is physiological, second is behavioral. Physiological biometric system is of these many types: facial, fingerprint, hand, iris, DNA. And behavioral biometric system is keystroke, signature, and voice recognition type. So, first is face recognition system. Face recognition system is a system in which one type of biometric system that identifies or verifies a person from a digital image by comparing and analyzing the patterns. These biometric patterns are used in security systems. Fingerprint recognition system. Now, fingerprint recognition system is a type of system. It is a type of system in which the type of biometric computer application that identifies or verifies a person from a digital image of fingerprint and records its features like arcs, whorls, minutiae, and furrows. Matching of fingerprint can be attained in three ways: minutiae, correlation based, and ridge features. Minutiae based fingerprint matching stores a plane including a set of points or corresponding in the minutiae and in the templates. Correlation based fingerprint matching overlays two fingerprints images and the association between equivalent pixels is calculated. Now, ridge feature based matching is an innovative method that captures ridges as minutiae-based fingerprint capturing of the fingerprint images, which is difficult in low quality. To capture the fingerprints, present method are optical sensors that employ a CMOS image sensor or a CCD solid state sensor work on the principle of transducer technology using thermal capacitive piezoelectric sensor or electric field or ultrasonic sensors which work on echography. Now we will see the biometric system or fingerprint identification system. Fingerprint identification system is one of the most common and well-known biometric identification system because of its uniqueness and consistency over time. Fingerprints have been well accepted method of identification due to advancement in computing capabilities, biological characters such as fingerprints, iris, facial recognition, etc. are also used as methods of personal identification. So, biometric attendance system. No two persons in this world will have the same fingerprints. So that is well known. So fingerprint module differentiate between two fingers based on ridges and valleys using some algorithm. Here we can see the authentication system of biometric attendance system. This is the fingerprint sample which is given to biometric sensor. This part is called enrollment. Enrollment enrolls a person's fingerprint by biometric sensor, feature extraction, and it stores that fingerprint data in the database. Now, authentication module, where it takes the biometric sensor, it reads the fingerprint and gives it to feature extraction or matching, and then it gives the result if matches with the database or not, yes or no. So here the fingerprints are matched with the earlier enrolled fingerprints. Okay, so if they are exactly the same, then it gives the result as okay. Otherwise it gives no match. Now, RFID based radio frequency identification based identification is one of the electronic device that includes a small antenna and a chip. This device is used to transmit the information between reader and the RFID reader and the RFID tag using radio frequency electromagnetic fields. It is capable of carrying 2 kilobytes of data. Here we can see this is a transformer, a rectifier which gives DC output. Here this is a regulator which gives a regulated 5 volt DC, RFID reader, and this gives the signal to the 8051 microcontroller. Microcontroller, it gives out to the display. ASMC module, here it is a programmer which program is kept inside the ASMC programmer, which is programmed the 8051, and this is the status button. So here the microcontroller plays an important role in comparing the data and the actual fingerprints. So it gives it to the display whether that fingerprint matches with the data or not. So that is all about biometric attendance system. Thanks for attending my lecture. We will continue with the topic in the next lecture. Keep sharing my lectures with your friends and subscribe my channel.